Just I want to conclude with all the details of the tariff, which is a main important part of concern to any of the person who is coming in. So it is basically a very nominal tariff list we have along with the facilities. We have categorized the patients into conscious, subconscious and the coma patients. Accordingly, the patients will be charged nominally, and along with that we have categorized for the different rooms like general ward and private and semi-private wards. They can opt for any of the services what they are willing for. Basically, why the question is there that why we are unique other than the other old age homes. One of the first and main important thing is that we are having 24/7 medical care with the professional consultants like the doctors, any of the super specialties. We can because the owner himself is so lastly I am concluding with the details of the tariff, which are very much important and required by anyone who is interested in the old age home. It is very nominal tariff list. We are nominally charging according to the patients. We have categorized the patients into conscious, semi-conscious and conscious, unconscious and the bedridden or coma patients. Accordingly, we are charging, and we are providing almost all the super consultants consultations with physiotherapy and other requirements whichever they opt for. Other than that, the main one question which we are having is why this old age home is different from other organizations. One of the main basic thing is we are having 24/7 doctors consultation and the neuro rehabilitation, which makes it entirely a unique entity from other institutes and organizations. Here, the one of the main important thing is the proprietor of this organization, Dr. Sridhar himself, is a doctor and a consultant who gives the consultation along with the emergency handling also. So in other cases, like in a few of the emergencies like post-tracheostomy or post-head injury cases, we are shifting to the nearby Deepashri Hospital, which is very nearby, for the further management, which is very important, which plays very important role in this old age home part also. Other than that, we have the 24/7 ambulance services also. Anyway, concluding with this, we have come to the final and part of the infrastructure of the Deepashri Nursing and Rehabilitation Center. Thank you.